Shopify assistflow AI call center demo. Hello, thank you for your time. Let me briefly show you how this demo works. In the next 1 minute, we'll turn your Shopify store into an AI call center. Let's begin. Step 1. Install the app. First, go to the Shopify App Store. Search for assistflow AI call center. Click Install App and approve the permissions. That's it. No code required. Step 2. Connect your store. Once the app is installed, you'll be redirected automatically. Here, assistflow connects securely to your Shopify store. Your store data is now ready to be used by AI. Step 3. Start the live call demo. Now we move to the live experience. Click Start Live Demo. The system assigns you a dedicated phone number for 5 minutes. Small reminder, if your own phone number is not saved as a customer in your Shopify store, please add it first. Step 4. Call the AI. Now simply call the demo number from your own phone, and what you hear is your AI call center. What the AI does. This AI answers calls as if it already knows your business. It recognizes customer details, order history, shipping information, because it's connected directly to your Shopify store. From incoming calls to smart routing, from customer support to sales assistance, this is how modern e-commerce handles customer communication. Simple, instant, AI-powered. This is how you start 2026 with assistflow AI.
Dude, listen up. I just discovered something insane. Your phone rings, every AI is like, can I get your name? assistflow AI, whole different level.
Before you even pick up, it's already pulled data from Google, CRM, API, Excel, SQL,
Everything.
It opens with, "Hey John, welcome back."
Hey Shopify fam, Red. This one's next level. Meet assistflow AI, your call center that starts helping before you even answer the phone.
Let AI handle your Shopify calls while you focus on the fun stuff. Activate it right now. Find assistflow AI on the Shopify app.